Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Make It in a Minute Monday, and we are so happy you are here. My name is Nancy Forsberg, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and we are so happy you are here. Today we're going to be working on this card right here. It's basically focusing on the designer series paper and just kicking it up a notch on coloring it. And the paper that we're using today is found in the mini catalog on page 53. It's called Magic in the Night, or Magic in This Night Designer Series paper. All right, and right here we're going to have all our supplies and measurements and everything listed on our blog a little bit later. There's going to be a link in the description below. However, just to give you a quick overview, we're going to be using a makeup brush that we are going to be using the Bermuda Bay. We're going to be using the Memento ink. We're going to be using the Happy Hunting stamp set, which comes from the banner year. It's right here. And a little bit of this Organdy Black Glimmer, which is Kayla's favorite ribbon of all time. We're going to need dimensionals, some rhinestones, and then we chose to do a little bit of die cutting from 3 different sets. I wanted to mix it up a little bit, but again, our focus is on the designer series paper. This little circle right here comes from the layering circles. It's the second to the smallest circle. This black one right here comes from the little treat box. It's a circle right here, the scallops. And then last, we're using our vellum piece out of the North Pole Wonder dies, and that is the big one right here. All right. So for the designer series paper, this measures 4 by 4, and then you're going to need a 1/8 by 4 inch. We need a piece of our Whisper White, Bermuda Bay, and then for our card base, we're going to use the 4 1/4 by 11 inches. Okay, so we're going to get started on this. Just going to bring in a scrap piece of paper, and we're going to do. Now, if you don't have one of these makeup brushes, you could probably use your sponge or one of your daubers, and it just goes through and ink up, and we're just going to rub on the color. Let that dry a little bit. Now, if you want, you can always take a little bit of Kleenex or tissue paper or whatever you have and wipe off the top, just to get a little bit of that extra off. And basically all we need to do is just assemble the card now. This will be on the inside of the card. Now we are ready to assemble the front. What we're going to do is we're going to put our pieces onto the designer, or onto the Bermuda Bay first, and then we're going to layer our ribbon on top of it. Now we're ready to adhere it onto the front of the card. Now we're ready for our little circle. For this one, we're going to put dimensionals on. And last but not least, we're going to add a little bit of bling to it. All right, and there we have it, a quick, simple card that can be done in just a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching us today, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And for measurements and pictures, be sure to visit our blog in the description below. Thank you.